Welcome back to Automotive. Today's car is not just a vehicle, it's a comeback story, a cultural icon reborn for a new generation. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba is here, and if you think this is just a retro van with a fancy badge, trust me, you're going to want to stay until the very end. Volkswagen hasn't simply recreated the past, they've reimagined it with modern technology, smart engineering, and a level of detail that might surprise even longtime fans. By the time this video ends, you'll understand why this vehicle is creating so much buzz worldwide. At first glance, the exterior of the 2026 T1 Samba instantly pulls at your emotions. The iconic two-tone paintwork, the large VW logo up front, and the unmistakable silhouette are all clearly inspired by the legendary original. But look closer, and you'll see how modern it really is. The body lines are cleaner, the proportions are tighter, and everything feels more refined. LED headlights and taillights replace the old-school units, but they're styled in a way that keeps the classic charm alive. The panoramic glass roof, a signature element of the Samba name, stretches beautifully across the top, flooding the cabin with light and giving passengers an unmatched open-air feeling. It's nostalgic, yes, but also fresh, confident, and unmistakably premium. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 T1 Samba really starts to impress. The interior blends retro inspiration with modern comfort in a way that feels thoughtful rather than gimmicky. The dashboard design is simple and clean, with color accents that echo the exterior paint scheme. Materials feel solid and high quality, with soft-touch surfaces and sustainable trims that align with Volkswagen's modern design philosophy. A large central touchscreen handles infotainment duties, offering smooth navigation, smartphone connectivity, and voice control, all without overwhelming the cabin. The digital driver display is clear and customizable, giving you all the essential information right where you need it. Seating is spacious and versatile, making the T1 Samba more than just a style statement. The seats are designed for long journeys, with good support and plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers. Thanks to the flat floor layout, moving around inside feels easy and natural. The panoramic roof transforms every drive into an experience, especially during daylight, while ambient lighting at night adds warmth and personality to the cabin. This is a vehicle designed for road trips, beach days, city cruising, and moments you'll actually remember when it comes to performance. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba is not trying to be a sports car, and that's exactly the point. It's built for smooth, relaxed, confident driving. Powered by an advanced electric drivetrain, the Samba delivers instant torque, making acceleration feel effortless in city traffic. It's quiet, smooth, and refined, with a low center of gravity that helps it stay stable and composed on the road. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and imperfections while keeping passengers comfortable at all times. Steering is light and easy, perfect for urban driving and tight parking situations, yet stable enough for highway cruising. Range and efficiency are also key highlights. Volkswagen has engineered the T1 Samba to offer a practical driving range that suits daily use as well as longer trips. Regenerative braking helps recharge the battery while driving, and fast charging capability means less waiting and more driving. This makes the Samba not only emotionally appealing, but genuinely usable in the real world. Safety and technology are fully up to date, with a wide range of driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and parking assistance systems work quietly in the background to reduce stress and improve confidence behind the wheel. These features don't take away from the driving experience. They enhance it, making every journey feel more relaxed and secure. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where many people will be paying close attention. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba is expected to start around the mid-$40,000 range, depending on the market and configuration. Higher trims, larger battery options, and premium interior upgrades will push the price higher, but considering what you're getting, the value is clear. You're not just buying transportation, you're buying design, heritage, modern technology, and a lifestyle statement all rolled into one. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba is proof that nostalgia and innovation can coexist beautifully. It respects its legendary past while fully embracing the future. Whether you're a longtime Volkswagen fan or someone looking for something truly different in today's automotive world, this vehicle offers character, comfort, and meaning that many modern cars simply lack. And if you've stayed with me this far, you already know, this is more than a van. It's a moving experience. Thank you very much.